So how to rebuild a container with Docker Compose. The command to do that is Docker Compose, and what you want to say is build, and then probably you want to use no cache to build it from scratch, and then the service name. Now the service name is depending on your project. So let's have a look at the Docker Compose file, because that's where the service names are defined. So most of the time your file will compose, and the service names is everything beneath the services stanza. So here we've got a PHP service, we've got a PHPMyAdmin service, and we've got a DB service. So there's three names there. So if you want to rebuild the PHP service, you might have a different service name called app or node or something else. It depends on your project. So let's say we want to rebuild the PHP service, then we have to say docker compose build -- no cache, and then the service name PHP. That's how you rebuild a container.